Okay, the second problem is 37 plus 222. Did anybody do a number line? All right, what number did we start with if you did a number line?
32.
Huh?
222.
You started with the larger number. Is it easier to add 37 to 222?
No.
Or is it easier to add 222 to the 37? It just depends, but there's no wrong way to start. It's okay. What is the first step we could do or take from 222? Add what?
You can add the 2.
Add the 2.
The 10.
Add the 10.
You
What?
can add the 10 to the 2. And
What 10?
And the 222 in the middle.
That? All right. What do you want to add to that though?
And it will make 4, and you'll add 224.
We're not adding 222 to 222. We're starting with 222. So I'm done with that number. It's at the beginning of my number line.
Oh, you can add the 3 to the
All right, but that's not a 3, it's a
30.
30. So 222 plus 30. All right, equals what? 7?
252.
It's 252. I'm going to show, all right, I'm going to draw a picture of it. I'm going to draw a picture of it. Here we go. 222. Okay? And I'm going to, watch what happens when I add. Look up at the board. Watch what happens when I add 10, 20, 30. What happened to my hundreds?
They're going away.
They stayed the same. What happened to my ones? They stayed the same. Look down here. The 100 stayed the same. The 1 stayed the same. And the what changed was the tens. 2 tens plus 3 tens is 5 tens. All right, so I'm done with the 30. Now what is left to add? 7. So I could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do I write sloppy? Do I write sloppy? I mean, does it look sloppy?
No, but wait.
I don't know.
I don't write sloppy.
All right, so I'm going to add 7. What do I have a picture of now? I have 2 hundreds, 5 tens. So 2 hundreds, 5 tens, and how many ones? 9 ones. The answer is 259. Get it? All right, I'm moving on.
Mr. K, I use break apart.
Love it.
You have to show your work on this.
Perfect. All right. All right, guys. Remember, down there at the bottom of the screen, I'm recording. Okay, so let me pause it real quick. Picking up the recording with the clock. What time is shown on the clock? All right. I'm going to shade in the hour hand. What color have I been doing the hour hand? Blue.
No, orange.
Blue.
Wait.
All right, hour hand I'm shading in blue. Minute hand I'm shading in red. Okay? Now, we put a colon on the digital clock between the hours and the minutes. Now, the minute hand is pointing at the what?
1.
Is it pointing at the 1?
Those going past 1.
It's a little bit past the 1. Now, the minute hand, how does the minute hand count? How does the minute hand count? Each number on the face of the clock for the minute hand counts by 5s. So 1 is not 5. The 1 says
Oh,
05. You can't forget the 05. Okay? The 2 says 10. 3 says 15. So, the minute hand is going to count by 5s first and then 1s. So, it's 00, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 1 says 05. 6, 7, 8, 9, and then the 2 hand says 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, and the 3 says 15. Okay, so you count by 5s and then you add some 1s if you need to. Do we need to add any 1s to this minute hand? So what does this minute hand say? No, the minute hand. Just the minute hand.
107.
What is the minute hand saying, Joe?
17.
Not 7.
17.
Not 17. Look, 05, 06, 07. You can't forget the O in the time. 07, because it holds the place value. The 0 holds the place value in the time. Okay, so it is 06 or 07. Either one is fine. 06 is fine. I'm going to leave 06 and 07 up there. Okay, because it doesn't have to be exact.
What about the
Well,
hour hand?
05 would be incorrect because it's not pointing exactly at the 1. So it needs to be a little bit past.
But the hour,
Now, what is the hour hand pointing at?
the same thing.
The hour hand is pointing at
The same thing.
the space between the 1 and the 2. So it's not pointing at the 1, but if it's pointing at the space between, it says
Go back.
it says go back to the 1. So it is
107.
it is 106 or 107. All right, 2 groups of 10 is 3 groups of 9. 9, 18, 27. 27. Because we only skip count 1, 2 from 0. That's 1, 2, 3. This blue does not show up very well.
The first one because 2 times 10 equals 20.
Yeah, 2 10s is 20. And 8 groups of 7. Count along if you think that you can multiply. 7, 14, 21, 28. Count along. 42, 49, and 56. Let's see if that's 8 skip counts. Count them. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
7, and then 8. Yeah. All right.
I counted by 80.
All right, 211, 418. I'm going to draw a picture of 400, 110, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. I'm going to add 2 hundreds, 1 10, and 1 1. What is that a picture of?
600.
600.
629.
29. Do I have enough 1s to make another strip of 10?
No.
No. All right. That is math for today. I want you guys to go back to your seats.